I am back after a long time, and today we are making another video, but except this one's a little different, but with an airsoft gun again. We will see what will happen if I shoot this water bag from a distance. And I'm here at Timothy's behind the camera.
Hey.
So let's go and do it. So I have to go up here to do this, and if you don't see that there's any ammo in it, you can see there's ammo right there. You see those pellets?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Okay. So, we're gonna shoot them right here. Are you ready?
Yes.
And this. It's hard. That did not hit it.
Oh, I thought that hit.
It's hard. Get back to wood. There it hit. Did I hit it?
I don't think so. No.
I'm gonna run out of ammo here. Not ammo.
Okay, guys, we didn't hit it.
So please, what's the pause button on the camera? Alright guys, we're back. So, more ammo. Load it in to it.
All right, guys, we missed. So we have to do the second take of this.
Okay, here you go. Dang it, the fingers, damn. Yes, finally.
Okay, it hit.
Wait, stand back. Still gonna shoot it. Okay, we're out of ammo, so we're gonna check it out. But first, just a second. I'm gonna do something real quick to end it. I'm gonna end it. Ready? See? Look at that. It's inside. See you later. I think we have to put multiple shots in it. We're gonna put like 3 in it. Okay. So, here's the bag. Leaking. So, here's one way to end the bag. Okay, so there we go. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.